Hey, how's it going, traders? It's the Pup of Wall Street back with 4 trade ideas. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below so you can get these actionable trade ideas as soon as they come out, if you can. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these chart videos that I'm doing. So let's dig into the first chart. We're talking about Antero Resources, ticker AR. What I noticed is we had a channel break right here, right? Down channel breakout, nice push higher, and we had a MACD, or excuse me, an RSI breakout, and a MACD crossover, and very similar move right here as to here, and we just got the breakout, right? So now I'm seeing 22% upside back up to 2170. Again, RSI breaking out. Again, MACD curling and crossing. So watch Antero for either a pullback entry at 1750 or a continuation to the upside. Next up is CrowdStrike, broadening formation here. We bounced right off the bottom of that broadening formation. Watch for a break over 212.60. Obviously, I want to see RSI closer up to 50 and breaking out, but the MACD is starting to curl and momentum is starting to push to the upside, and also squeeze momentum is also pushing back to the zero line. So watch for a continuation bounce on CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD. Next up is Eli Lilly, ticker LLY. We have an ascending triangle, right? Higher lows, right into a flat top. And we are breaking out over that 275.68 level. Watch for a retest bounce. First target's going to be 291.50, then 300, then 310.86. We've already broken out on RSI and have come into overbought conditions. We also have a slingshot squeeze that, although has not fired, right? We had a fire back here that's starting to dissipate. We are moving back to the zero line, and momentum should start to push higher. But what got me very interested is this MACD crossover with positive momentum. So keep an eye on Eli Lilly, ticker LLY. And last but not least is Snowflake. Snowflake has been forming this massive cup, and now we're in our handle. We pulled back to the 382 Fibonacci level, Fibonacci retracement level, I should say, at 322.48. So our handle is still forming, so please be patient on this. What's getting me interested is we have a back test of RSI on 50. However, our MACD is crossing potentially under. What I would like to see is maybe our MACD starts to kind of curl and intertwine. We start to get a turn off of the 382. And first signal for me would be a break over the handle downtrend right here, right? So if we get a breakout here and RSI starts to bounce, that would be my signal that it could possibly take an early entry using a stop loss of around 320, and my first target would be 394.97 to the upside. So those are my 4 charts that I'm looking at for today going into next week. And again, if you can, make sure, if you love my content, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And like I said, if you could leave a comment, even better. If you did all 3, I'll love you forever. Have a great one. Let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you in the next video.